What is going on, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. I know I'm a little close right now, but it's okay because we're a family. Today I have something very special. Let me just get it. And I know what you're thinking. This brown box, it's special. No, what's inside this brown box is magical. It's truly magnificent. Here on this channel, we do tech reviews. Lie. We don't do tech reviews. We just make videos for fun. But we're getting a new piece of equipment today, and this piece of equipment is very, very expensive. So I figured, what better way than to do an ASMR if my mic works, which it rarely tends to do. Yeah, let's get it. Well, I'm back and it's time to get into what exactly comes in the box. Obviously, we have a MacBook Pro. Now, this is the newest MacBook Pro in a 16-inch that you can buy on Apple's website or in the Apple Store. This is a 2019. Obviously, the M1 comes out, I think, in fall. I'm not sure. I was not aware of that. I didn't really do much research. I just went on Apple's website and I said, give me the best MacBook Pro in a 16-inch that you can get. So this is a fully spec'd out Mac. Well, not 100%. This is like 95% spec'd out. You can get up to 8 terabytes, I believe. I don't know if it's a 4. Now let's get into what comes in the box. First thing is this. Or maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. This says designed by Apple. MacBook Pro card. 2 stickers, whatever this piece of paper is that I won't read. Next, we have the charging brick, and honestly, this charging brick feels heavy. This is the new brick versus the old brick. That's quite a difference. The reason I have that old one is because I still have my old Mac. It's a 2015 MacBook Pro 13-inch that I used for probably 6 years now, and it's done me great. I just wanted to level up, so that's satisfying. I'm ripping it. Dang. That's a nice, solid. This thing is heavy. Then we have this bad boy right here. This is your charging cable. Obviously, we all know this. Charges by USB-C, which is gonna be a change for me. So I had to get a dongle for all my hard drives that I currently have and my SD cards and stuff. I ended up getting the Kotek 7-in-1 brick. There it is, and it matches the laptop. Here's the laptop, here's the charging brick. This is how I'm gonna plug in all of those. It's beautiful. I have not set it up yet. It's huge compared to the 13-inch. I didn't know it was gonna be this big. So there's a full touch bar at the top. I maxed everything out on this laptop, and the reason for doing so is because I'm very, very big into video editing, and I plan on getting a GH6, which comes out in December. Very excited for that. And the thing is here, I'm just a regular video editor. I'm nothing special, like I'm not crazy. I don't know like laptop specs like that and stuff for doing like crazy things. I just wanted to max everything out so I could have it for a long time. So like I said, 16-inch MacBook Pro, 2.4 gigahertz, 8-core 9th generation Intel processor, turbo boost up to 5 gigahertz. I don't even know what that means, if I'm being completely honest with you. I just assumed it would make it faster when it comes to like me editing and things like that, whether I'm in like Photoshop, Lightroom, After Effects, Final Cut, like all those programs. I figured it would make it faster, which it does. Then memory, I got 64 gigabytes of 2666 megahertz DDR4. Do I know what that is? No, but it says if you're planning to run multiple professional applications like Final Cut Pro, it's a good idea to max out your memory. And I just figured, okay, that was like an extra 800. The processor that I got was an extra 200. Then I went and maxed out my graphics card. I have AMD Radeon Pro 5600M with 8 gigabytes of HBM2 memory. Once again, no idea what that means, but when I read into it a little bit, with me getting Logic and Final Cut and using Adobe programs, I figured it'd make it easier for me to work all at once. I just want it as fast as possible. And then with storage, I did not go for the 8 terabytes. That's 2200. I ended up going with 2 terabytes, which was an extra $400 because I use external hard drives, so I really don't even need a terabyte. Well, a terabyte is nice, but I technically don't need that because all my footage is on external hard drives on purpose so I don't have to deal with running out of storage. I ended up not getting Apple Care. It was $400 extra. That brings us to our grand total of $48.99. After taxes and everything, it was $5,200. So yeah, I spent $5,200 on a MacBook Pro. That is worth more than the car that I currently drive. A great investment in myself, if I have to say anything about it. It's just another way to get me a little more serious and keep me serious about creating videos, creating content. So yeah, this was my video of the new MacBook Pro. The new MacBook Pro 16-inch, basically 90% maxed out on every single thing. If you guys enjoyed the video, please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with a friend. Yeah, thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next tech review. Go ahead and watch my last video and watch the next video that I put out. Okay? Thanks again for watching. I've been Sav. It's time for us to go.